Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Hope that you are fit and fine. I am in the excellent of health. This is MD Shafiqul Islam with bold English. Again, I have come here with some important words. That words are very, very important for all of us. We can use these words of our daily necessary works. That is computer, গণনা যন্ত্র, কম্পিউটার গণনা যন্ত্র, ফোন দূরভাষ, টেলিভিশন দূরদর্শন, কি চাবি, ক্লক ঘড়ি, লাইট আলো, ফ্যান পাখা, ড্রেস পোশাক, শু জুতা, ব্যাগ থলে. Okay, my dear students, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class again. Allah Hafiz.